Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how increase brightness Minecraft. To begin, open Minecraft, press the escape key to access the menu after, select settings. Now in the video section, adjust the desired brightness with the slider bar in the brightness section. After, in the search box, enter %app data %pulse on file folder. Here, open the .minecraft folder. After this, double-click on the options text file. In this file, locate the gamma line. Now you can enter the value 1000.0, save the change. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.